Hello, my name's Jerry Garrettson, Tabea Law, and I'm going to go ahead and we're going to talk about citizenship. But let me go ahead and read this first. And the earth brought forth grass and herb yielding seed after his kind, and the tree yielding fruit, whose seed was in itself after his kind, and God saw that it was good. So citizenship is the next step after a party gets his or her legal permanent residency or their green card. And so the process is to migrate, sponsored by either a family member or by business, or if they come via asylum, then they obviously first process is get the green card. That's a whole different lecture. Once you get your green card, there are certain requirements to get your citizenship. Generally, it's and these are the black letter laws. So, as in law, you got the black letter, and then you got 50,000 exceptions generally. Okay, so. But here's the black letter. So it's 5 years as a legal permanent resident. So you have to have your green card for 5 years. You need to be at least 18. You need to be 5-year residency, which so that kind of goes along with your green card. But the physical presence at least 30 months in the last 5 years. So 30 months is 2.5 years. So that 5 years that you've been here, physical presence, half of that has to be here. So it's not like you can never leave the country once you get your green card. Yes, you can travel. Yes, you can go outside the country. However, you have to be here if you want your citizenship. You have to be here at least half of the time during that 5 years. So 2.5 years of that 5 years, you need to be physically here in the country. The idea is that if you're gone, let's just say you're the last 5 years, you're gone for 3 years or 4 years somewhere else. The idea is, and the government's going to ask you is, do you really want to be a citizen? You're never here. Where are you at? Maybe you should be a citizen of that country that you're spending most of your time at. That's not here. So that's the idea on that. Good moral character, and can be a big deal. Oftentimes that's where attorneys get involved, because a person has a situation and the lawyer needs to come in and apply a waiver or try to find a remedy for it somehow. Generally, you're looking at, I don't want to go into that. It's kind of a long deal. But anyways, the next issue is the attachment to principles and ideas of the U.S. Constitution. So a person has to be agreeable or believe in our system of government, our Constitution, our culture, the way we run our country, and they have to assimilate or want to be an American, and not to change America and make it into a different country, but to gravitate or to accept the country for what it is, the Constitution and our capitalist system and our system of laws. That's basically the idea there. And then you need to learn how to read, write, and speak basic English. And this is not generally an issue unless the folks are older when they come over and they don't have much English, and it could be a tougher deal. And there are exceptions for the rule on that. So I think that's good enough for today. We'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you.